Meet the Gourmia Digital Stainless Steel Toaster Oven Air Fryer. It's a versatile appliance designed to deliver healthy and delicious meals with ease. Combining an air fryer and toaster oven, this all-in-one device is perfect for your kitchen. Worried about smoke or odor? With FryForce 360 technology, it cooks food quickly and evenly with little to no oil, keeping your kitchen fresh and odor-free. Cleaning up is hassle-free. The removable air fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick and easy. Looking for precision? The digital controls let you adjust time, temperature, and toast settings for perfectly cooked meals. Whether you're baking cookies or roasting vegetables, you can achieve precise results every time. The bright and easy to read digital display offers 14 one-touch cooking functions: air fry, toast, bagel, bake, broil, roast, reheat, warm, dehydrate, and more, all with just a single tap. This compact appliance fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, making it ideal for everything from family dinners to quick snacks. Plus, the large viewing window lets you monitor your cooking effortlessly. Here's what sets the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven apart: minimal smoke and odor during cooking, removable dishwasher-safe racks for easy cleaning, precisely adjustable temperature settings, bright user-friendly digital display with 14 cooking functions, spacious enough for a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread. The Gourmia Digital Stainless Steel Toaster Oven Air Fryer is your ultimate kitchen companion for fast, healthy, and versatile meals. Upgrade your cooking experience today.